Ka District Mission Coordinator SSA West Jaintia Hills, ha ka thong ban kentiu ya ka puli puthi hapo ka district, ha ka khatlai tarik no opera kala penlong ya ka jinghikai kyrpang ya ki principal, head teacher jong ki school ha Inclusive Education Resource Center IERS mi mentru. Kathong jong kani ka jinghikai ka long ban pensngo thu ya ki principal, head teacher jong ki school chapang ka kamram kum ki bor pej bor penya jong ki school na ka benta ki tu ki khynnah badan ha ki jingduna dokhat met batru chapang ka hok jong ki khynnah kat kum ka RPW Act 2016. ULK Singh District Coordinator IE SSA West Jaintia Hills kum uriu shampang uong badan laitli ki school ki balamang karpang na ka benta ki tu ki khynnah ki badan ha ki jingduna dokhat men kita ki long ka school ya ki tu ki khynnah ki badan jingduna ka perkhat perdan mental retardation ka jingduna ha ki bor yo sngo hearing impaired bat ka school ka bayadei bat ki tu ki khynnah ki bam yo I visual impaired. Hapo ka jalla ya kum kini ki jat school ki long ki badang duna kum ta ka bu jing e bhai ya ki mi ki pa ban pha school ya ki khun jong ki na ka banta ban yo ya ka jingnang jing stan kum ba dawa ka jinglong jingman jong ki. Henry watla ka taru hapo ka district kum basha ka bor ki la persyang banle ka babahatam da ka babu haman ki block ya ki IE volunteer bat ki block resource person IE. Shu ula batai benia ru ya ki khat artali ki jat jingpang ki bahab hapo ka RPWD Act 2016 bat ka National Trust Act bat ula kentu ya ki head teacher principal ban I men siem ya ki mi ki pa lada jia ba ki dan ya ki khun ki badan jingduna dokhat men.
You here are disabled, I will make next time. You cannot. Aku mungkin have ID kayu ya. Kita kamu don't nonghikai can face difficulty while dealing with the children with special needs. What the children, what teachers have to do then. These are the two acts of disability which have been proper again in RTP Act 2009. In the right to person, RPWD mean right to person with disability. Right to person with disability. In this RPWD Act 2016, can anyone tell me how many types of disability are there in this? Have you heard about it? Yeah, what kay bila ko nang chimang ng inclusive education. Kay ko wan majung yung What comes to your mind when I say what is inclusive education?
Special student and normal student.
Normal children and
Special.
okay. You mean you want to include both and then it should be in one school or one classroom, right? That's what you get to your mind. Yes? Okay. Word that is being used nowadays. So mental retardation, instead of mental retardation, we are using the word what? Intellectual disability. So we cannot use the word mental retardation. Mental retardation is the word that has been used before, but now. So there are resource persons or resource teachers who are specialized in the field of intellectual disability. There are resource teachers who are specialized in the field of hearing impairment, and there are teachers who are specialized in the field of visual impairment. But you may not find, or you'll find a very less resource teachers who are skilled in all the areas. Pinyo duna kinonghikai kibanang haka mental ru kibanang haka hearing rane kibanang haka visual impaired. Kamu kamya yang pun kita mengontai. Kita specialize kita haka area rane haka ini. What kind of a school it is? Like a school you want to teach you today. That school is not of what? Special education. It's a special for them only. Tapi tangan tajam ki. And in such kind of special education, there are lots of schools which carry the needs of the special needs. For example, we are talking about a school school for children with mental retardation. School for children with hearing impairment, school for children with visual impairment. Dalam ada school di dalam lagi. Kamu khynnah, kemudian khynnah hak bawa kerkat, khynnah betang hak tak school kaba jinghikai, tang itu kita khynnah. Lalu kenu school kaba jinghikai tang itu di banglat berkeren, di bakelut. Lalu kalau kenu special school kaba di tang dalam kaki khynnah di bawah. Yes, there is a school for children with special needs. But the fact is that this special education, even in Meghalaya, there is a special education school. Do you know that? Kita no? Hey, kadang West Jaintia, kadang West Jaintia special school. School you come. Nangba, one of your colleagues telling Nangba.